Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm discussing how to manage the FB groups notification and how to disable the notification and a few other tips and tricks. So first of all, click on the three lines and click on the groups option, or if you already have a shortcut like me, you can directly click on this one and click the group section, and then go to the settings option and click on the notification. So here in default it will be highlights of all the groups. You can choose all posts if you want to get notification from that specific groups, all the posts from specific groups. And in case if you want only your friends post notification, you can choose that one, and also you can disable the notification from a specific group by clicking the off button. Go back. Now we can see how we can pin the groups. Click on the pin option. You can see Dubai fans group is already pinned, but you can pin other groups as well. Now I pinned Animal Worlds Network group, and if I go back once more, you can see two groups have been pinned, and the first one is Animal Worlds Network. So if you have 50-100 groups, this one it will help you to pin to see the groups at the first. So that's how you can pin the group. And click on the following option. In default all the groups will be in following mode, but in case if you don't want to follow any group but you want to be the member of the group, you can choose this option. So you can see I'm the member of the group, but I'm not following that group. In case if I want to follow, click on the three lines and click follow button. So let me follow all the groups. And membership, you can leave a group by clicking the membership. You will have to press a leave button and confirm this one. Suppose if I'm leaving from this group, I just click leave, and if I click leave group, I will be leaving from that. If you go for more option, you can either turn off the notification or leave group permanently. So I'm just canceling this one. You can try if you don't want to be the member of any groups. So I believe this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.